the Malay Poetry Advocacy Group Pantunism, and he is an aerospace technician by day, poet by night, and today he is a performer for us today at Bright Nights 2025. Please welcome Irfan.
Alright guys, okay, today I will be representing Pantunism. So Shahril Amri, the owner of Pantunism, couldn't be here today. He is in the hospital suffering from left eye abrasion. So I'll just pray for his well-being basically. So my name is Irfan Azman. I'm a part of Pantunism for quite long. I've known Shahril for quite long also. So we started this group way back in our school days. And it's about 7-8 years that we started this Pantunism organization. So if you all do like Malay poetry, we have our Instagram also. It's just Pantunism basically. Alright, so this is a piece teaching of a Malay poetry called Pantun. And I will teach pantun in this set of pantuns basically. Terimalah pantun dalam pantun. Bunga berseri di tengah taman, warna ceria, harum dan bekal. Ada tuisi berabad zaman, tetap cara tidak tertukar. Berenang laju si ikan bunga, berjaga-jaga takut diruntuh. Manis berlagu merdu didengar, ini caranya menulis pantun. Pecah atap bumbung tiris, usangnya rumah di tengah dusun. Satu rangka 4 baris, difaham mudah, indah tersusun. Sinar suria terpancar jelas, panas haba tidak terduga. 8 hingga 12, suku kata harus dijaga. Sungguh manis kuih bahulu, manis juga si kuih talam. 2 baris pembayang dahulu, flora dan fauna tulisan alam. Singa bengis lari-larian, tergesa-gesa mencari makan. 2 baris yang kemudian, maksud pula yang disampaikan. Merah menyala buahnya saga, buah yang segar burung menanti. Baris pertama dan baris ketiga juga enak didengar, rimanya pasti. Lompat ceria sikat tak lompat, anak muda bermain-mainan. Baris kedua dan baris keempat juga berrima yang berlainan. Bila mata sudah pun bilis, tidur sudah terbaring lena. Latih pindah tulis menulis, makin diasah makin sempurna. Singgah dusun seekor rusa, terjumpa pula seekor belalang. Guna pantun tak kira masa, baru bahasa tidakkan hilang. Alright, thank you. So I've written a poetry